Ashley from IntervalUp. Today I'm going to show you how to do a proper upright row. So grab your heavy weights. I have my 8 pounds here. So you're going to have your stuff with your palms facing it, dumbbells next to each other. So shoulders back and down, back is straight, core is engaged. So you're going to bring your weights up towards up until your elbows are in a line with your shoulders. Your palms are facing in, your wrist should be lower than your elbows, and then slowly down. So make sure when you do this exercise, you're not shrugging your shoulders like this or lifting your elbows higher than your shoulder level. So slowly up, keep your elbows at your shoulder level, and slowly bring them down. If you see me from the side, right here, and then down. So the dumbbell should be close to your body. So, you know when you're lifting heavy weights, if you keep doing this, leaning back. So make sure you're not doing this. So keeping your back straight, core engaged, lift up and down. Again, from the side, lift up until your elbows are in a line with the shoulders. Slowly bring them down. So you can use a pair of heavy dumbbells or even a kettlebell. Use a kettlebell instead. So I would suggest doing 12 to 15 reps. If you're a beginner, I would suggest starting with 8 pounds and see how that feels. And if you like, you can go heavier, 10 or even 12 or 15 pounds. And for if 8 pounds are too heavy, you can use a little lighter dumbbell. So make sure they're not too light until up to a point you feel like you can go more than 20 without feeling any challenge. So that's what for today's exercise. So this exercise works your shoulders and your upper back. So that's it for today, upright row. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye.